Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the common factors of 56 and 120. So for finding the common factors, we are going to first find the factors of these numbers. And for finding the factors, there are two methods. One is a division method and the other one is the multiplication method. We will be using the division method to find the factors of these numbers. So first we'll find the factors of 56. So for finding the factors of 56, we are going to divide this number by the number 1, which is a factor of all the numbers. So 1 times 56 is 56 and remainder is 0. From this division, we got two factors of 56 as 1 times 56. Next, we'll divide 56 by number 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, and we'll drop down 6, it becomes 16, and 2 times 8 is 16. So we got two factors from this division as 2 times 28. Next we'll divide 56 by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 2 is the remainder. We'll drop down 6, so it becomes 26, and 2 times 8 is 24. So here we are getting a remainder. That means 3 is not a factor of 56. Next we'll divide 56 by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. Remainder is 1. Then we'll drop down 6, it becomes 16. And 4 times 4 is 16. And we got 0 as the remainder. That means 4 is a factor of 56. So we'll write two factors as 4 times 14. Now we'll divide 56 by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And then we'll drop down 6. 5 times 1 is 5. And 1 is remainder. That means 5 is not a factor of 56. Next we'll divide 56 by 6. 6 times 9 is 54 and 2 is remainder. So 6 is also not the factor of 56. Next we'll divide 56 by 7. 7 times 8 is 56 and the remainder is 0. That means 7 is a factor of 56. We got two factors as 7 times 8. Then we'll divide 56 by 8. We'll get the same factors as 8 times 7. As the factors are getting repeated, we are going to stop our division process and we'll note down all the factors of 56. So the factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. These are all the factors of 56. Now let us find the factors of 120. For that too, we are going to repeat the same process and we'll divide 120 by different numbers starting with number 1. So 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So 120 divided by 1 is 120. And we got two factors as 1 times 120. Next we'll divide 120 by 2. So 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 0 is 0. So we got two factors as 2 times 60. Next we'll divide 120 by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 0 is 0. We got two factors as 3 times 40. Next we'll divide 120 by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 0 is 0. So we got two factors as 4 times 30. Next we'll divide by 5. 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 is remainder. Then we'll drop down 0 and 5 times 4 is 20. So the two factors we got from this division are 5 times 24. Next we'll divide 120 by 6. So 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 0 is 0. So we got two factors as 6 times 20. Next we'll divide 120 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7 and 5 is remainder. So 7 times 7 is 49. We got 1 as remainder. So 7 is not the factor of 120. Next we'll divide 120 by 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. 4 is the remainder. Then we'll drop down 0. So 8 times 5 is 40. We got 0 remainder. That means 8 is a factor of 120. We got two factors as 8 times 15. Now we'll divide 120 by 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 3 is remainder. Then we'll drop down 0. 9 times 3 is 27. So we got 3 as remainder. That means 9 is not a factor of 120. Next we'll divide 120 by 10. As 120 is having 0 in the ones place, that means it is a factor of 10. 10 is a factor of 120. 10 times 12 is 120. We got two factors as 10 times 12. We'll try 11. 11 times 1 is 11. And when we'll drop down 0, it is not going fully. That means 11 is not a factor of 120. Next we'll try 12. 12 times 10 is 120. Here we'll stop our division process as we are getting repeated numbers. Now we'll write all the factors of 120. So now we'll write the factors of 120, 40, 60 and 120. These are all the factors of 120. Now we have to find the common factors between the two numbers. Let's circle the factors which are common to both the numbers. 1 is common to all the numbers. Then 2, as both the numbers are even, so 2 is there in both the numbers. Then 4 is common to 120 and 56. Then we have 8, which is common to both the numbers. That's all. So the common factors of the two numbers are 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are all the common factors of 56 and 120. So this is how you can find the common factors between any two numbers by using the division method. I hope this video is helpful to you and you can now find the common factors of any numbers. Thanks for watching.